what if everything you were taught about money was wrong? Go to school, get good grades, get a job, work hard, retire with a pension. That's what we've all been told. But what if that path, the safe path, is actually the trap? That's exactly what Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki reveals. In this video, we'll break down the most important lessons from the book, not in dry financial terms, but in real, relatable stories that will change the way you think about money forever. Because this isn't just a book about finance, it's a book about freedom. Let's dive in. 2 dads, 2 mindsets, 2 lives. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with 2 father figures. One was his biological dad, highly educated, traditional, and respected in society. He was the poor dad. The other was the father of his childhood best friend, a man who never finished school, but became a millionaire entrepreneur. He was the rich dad. Both dads gave advice about money, but their views couldn't have been more different. Let's take a look. Poor dad said, "Go to school, get a secure job. Money doesn't grow on trees. The rich are greedy. I can't afford it." Rich dad said, "Learn how money works. Don't work for money, make money work for you. The rich invent money. How can I afford it?" That last line is key. Poor dad says, "I can't afford it." Rich dad says, "How can I afford it?" One shuts the brain down, the other opens it up. Same world, different mindset, different results. Lesson 1: The rich don't work for money. When Robert was a boy, his rich dad gave him a job for just 10 cents an hour. After weeks of hard work and frustration, Robert complained. He was angry, he felt underpaid, he was ready to quit. That's when Rich Dad dropped the bomb. Most people work for money, the rich make money work for them. It wasn't about the job, it was about the lesson. See, poor and middle-class people chase paychecks. They trade time for money, and it becomes a lifetime trap. But the rich, they focus on building assets, things that generate money even when they're not working. Lesson 2: It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Let me ask you something. If someone makes $100,000 a year, are they rich? Not necessarily. If their expenses are $95,000, they're just $5,000 away from broke. Rich Dad taught, it's not about income, it's about assets and liabilities. Let's define these terms simply. Assets put money in your pocket, like rental property, stocks, a business. Liabilities take money out of your pocket, like car loans, credit card debt, or even your personal house. Yes, even the house you live in might be a liability, not an asset, because it costs you money every month and doesn't make you any. That flips the traditional mindset on its head. Lesson 3: Mind your own business. Most people spend their lives working in someone else's business. They get paid, they spend, they pay taxes, and the cycle continues. But Rich Dad told Robert, the rich focus on building their own business. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job. It means you should focus on building assets on the side. Your job pays the bills, but your assets build wealth. That could be real estate, a side hustle, dividend stocks, a content brand, like the one you're watching now. The point is, don't just be an employee, be an owner. Lesson 4: The importance of financial education. Schools teach algebra, history, literature, but do they teach you how to file taxes, or buy a house, or invest in stocks? Nope. That's why Rich Dad said, the single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. That means learning how money flows, how taxes work, how to analyze risk, how to identify real assets. Money doesn't solve money problems, financial education does. Lesson 5: The rich invent money. Poor Dad was cautious. He believed in saving, budgeting, and avoiding risk. Rich Dad believed in learning how to spot opportunity. He said, "It's not the smart who get ahead, it's the bold." The rich don't just save, they create value. They use their mind, experience, and network to build wealth. They don't just play the game, they learn how to win it. And most importantly, They take action when others hesitate. Lesson 6. Work to learn, not to earn. Let's say you get offered 2 jobs. Job A pays $5,000 a month but teaches you nothing new. Job B pays $2,000 a month but you'll learn sales, marketing, and investing. Which one do you choose? If you're following Poor Dad's mindset, you take the money. But if you follow Rich Dad's path, you take the skills, because skills pay off long after salaries are spent. Robert Kiyosaki worked in sales, investing, and even the military, not for the paycheck, but for the lessons. He built a powerful skill set, and that built his wealth. Lesson 7. Fear and greed keep people poor. Why do people stay stuck? Because of fear and desire. They're afraid of losing money, but they desire a better life. So they get stuck in a cycle. Work, earn, spend, repeat. The rich know how to manage emotions. They're not driven by fear, they're driven by strategy. They know losing money is part of learning. Emotions can cloud decisions. Courage and control lead to freedom. Master your emotions, master your money. Common myths that hold people back. Let's bust a few lies that Poor Dad believed, and you might too. Your house is your greatest asset. It's not unless it brings in income. The government will take care of you. Pensions are disappearing. You're your own safety net. Money is the root of all evil. Lack of financial education is. So what should you do? Here's how you apply Rich Dad's lessons to your own life. Track your assets and liabilities. Know what's making you money and what's draining it. Invest in your financial education. Read, listen, learn. Understand how wealth works. Build assets, even small ones. Start a side hustle. Buy your first share. Create passive income streams. Learn to sell, speak, and solve problems. These are the top skills of millionaires. Don't work for money. Let money work for you. Final message: build the foundation. Let's be clear, Rich Dad. Poor Dad isn't a get-rich-quick book. It's a wake-up call. A new lens to see the world of money, freedom, and possibility. You can choose to follow the path of Poor Dad, safe, secure, but stuck. Or you can choose the path of Rich Dad, bold, uncertain, but free. The choice is yours. But remember this, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. And it's not what you know, it's what you do. Build your financial future one smart decision at a time. And don't just be rich in money, be rich in mindset. If this summary sparked something inside you, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful book breakdowns, and comment below. What's one money habit you're changing starting today? And hey, support the author, buy the full book. It's a small price to pay for a life-changing shift in mindset. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't work for money, make it work for you.